Okay guys, in the last video, we looked at what would happen to 47.75 if you multiply by 10,000, or in this case, 4 tens. But what if this value, the multiples of 10 that we're looking at, is written a different way? So I'm going to rewrite this as 6.2174. Okay, now this is where things are going to change. Rather than writing the next number in standard form, I'm going to write it a little bit different. I'm going to make it look like an exponent. So we're going to multiply by 10 to the third power. And I'm going to hide that other information. We don't need it anymore. And let's slide this up the screen. Okay, now looking at this, this is written in a fancy way, and we call it scientific notation. Okay, now scientific notation, it's just a fancy way of saying we're taking a long number and making it look shorter. So this looks shorter, but we're going to make it look longer in just a second. And the reason is I'm multiplying by 10 to the third power. So you've got to ask yourself, what does 10 to the third power tell us? Well, it tells us we're multiplying by 10 times itself 3 times. So 10 times 10 times 10, or in this case, 1,000. Now there's a quick way of solving this problem. I'm going to rewrite this value 6.2174 below. I just want to change pin colors. So 6.2174. Now I've got to multiply by 10 to the third power, or 1,000. And the quick trick to solving this problem to figure out what the new value will be is place your pin down where the decimal is. I need to change colors one more time. And you're going to move this decimal based off the value in the exponent. In this case, it's a positive 3. So that positive 3 tells me to move the decimal 3 place values to the right. And the way I can prove that right now is look at how many tens I'm multiplying by. 1, 2, 3 tens, or we could think about it as having 1, 2, 3 zeros, which will move that decimal 3 place values. So let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. My decimal is going to end here, so let's rewrite this new number as 6,217.4. So I really have 6,217.4. And let's box this information up. Cool, I'll see you in another video.